Make a great choice today with
the 2022 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, heated seats, traction control, power lift gate, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.